What's up, everyone? Today, I want to take a moment to talk about something that's seriously been under the radar for many of us: EMF radiation. We're living in an era where we're constantly surrounded by electronic devices such as cell phones, Wi-Fi, and microwave ovens, and these, unbeknownst to many, emit EMF radiation, a factor that's been linked to adverse health effects. But don't worry, there's a solution, and it's stylish, sleek, and electrifyingly effective: the EMF Defense Bracelet. So, let's get into it. EMF radiation, the invisible health obstacles. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Well, not exactly. When it comes to EMF radiation, according to a recent review at the School of Public Health at UC Berkeley, even spending a mere 17 minutes a day on your phone can cause significant health risks over time. Symptoms related to EMF exposure can range from DNA damage and disrupted hormone balance to severe cases like brain tumors. And the worst part, you can't escape it, even if you wanted to. Because EMF radiation is practically everywhere we go today, from your homes to your offices. But just as in any superhero movie, there's always a silver lining. Our savior, in this case, the EMF Defense Bracelet. The EMF Defense Bracelet, your health savior. The scenario may sound grim, but there's no need to fret, folks. As technology advances, we also make strides in protecting ourselves from its negative consequences. The EMF Defense Bracelet is an innovative health defender specifically designed to combat EMF radiation. It's laden with 36 minerals that generate negative ions, creating an invisible shield that deflects the positive ions of EMF radiation. Over and above, it won't mess up your Wi-Fi or cell phone signals, leaving you with all the benefits of tech and none of its drawbacks. Stylish, sleek, and suitable for all. This bracelet doesn't just possess health benefits. It's also a fashion statement. From hitting the gym to heading out for a date night, the EMF Defense Bracelet, sturdy yet skin-friendly, complements every outfit. Available in black and white, it comes in a fully adjustable size, fitting any wrist perfectly. It's waterproof and made of stainless steel, ensuring that it won't rust, discolor, or irritate your skin. So, you're literally dressed to protect. Time to level up your health game. So, folks, in a world where we're constantly surrounded by invisible stressors like EMF radiation, it's essential to protect ourselves. And what better way than to have a savior like the EMF Defense Bracelet that doesn't simply aid health, but does so with style? With it, you can embrace technology without the fear of its unseen harm. It's time we redefine the adage "health is wealth" and level up our health game. Simply visit the EMF Defense Bracelet website and place your order today to stay safe and stylish on your way to a happier, healthier life. Thank you for watching.